I interviewed former Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales, and she said what she finds inconsistent is, at this point, Malacanang or the president could already order the cancellation of Zaldico's passport. So even the former speaker, Martin Romualdez, could have ordered that, but they didn't. So ang pananaw ni Morales, the former ombudsman, is in effect, they're really protecting Zaldico para hindi umuwi.
Ako, naniniwala ako dyan, Juan. Ano? Sa akin naman is, it is more on the impact on former Speaker Romualdez. Sa tingin ko, mismo si Speaker Romualdez ayaw niya umuwi si Zaldico. Kasi otherwise, siya lang talaga makakapag-implicate sa kanya. Kung paano yung sistemang ginawa nilang dalawa. Pero hindi ko rin alam, mayroon pa namang ibang mga congressman din yan na alam din nila yung kanilang sistema. Nandyan din yan sila Congressman Garjola, nandyan pa rin yung sila Congressman Don Gonzales. Sila yung mga, alam mo yung mga malalapit na, may circle yung mga yan eh. Nandyan sila Congressman Dalipe. Sino pa yan? Si Congressman Jojo Ang, yan. KJ Suarez. Marami pang nakakaalam eh.